Yes, I did it. I bought the Tarte Trio. Now, I've always been a fan of Tarte makeup. I would go to my local store here and buy Tarte products all the time. But when I found them on TikTok Shop, I had to try these out. I probably have not put on makeup in probably 2 months. Isn't that crazy? So I thought today I was feeling it. I'm going to put a little bit of makeup on. I am very fair skinned. So I have the lip plump that I put on my lips. It's actually a little tingly right now. And I'm just going to put that on right here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's so pretty. So pretty. And then I also use the Fake Awake under my eye here, kind of like in the waterline. I just put a little bit. I don't do a whole lot. This one here, I added it too. But look at this. This tubular mascara. I have one coat on this eye. I don't have any here. And look at the difference. It was really, really easy to put on. And honestly, guys, because I'm getting old and I can't see, I have to have this magnification mirror right here. But look at my eye, how it pops. That is absolutely stunning. And look at my lips. They're so pretty. So I'm so glad I get these. I highly recommend these. This trio is a no-brainer, guys. Make sure you grab yourself, try it out. It's right here on my link, and you're going to love it just as much as I love it. Look at the difference. Isn't that crazy? So I'm going to show you. I'm going to put this on so you guys can see, but I got to lean my head over here. So this is what it's going to do, and then I'll come back. And honestly, a little goes a long way. And I like putting it on really, really light. And then I'm going to do the bottom. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? And then if you let it dry and come back and do a different layer, just like this one's dry, so I'm going to let it pop just a little bit more. Okay. Isn't that crazy? And it just keeps adding. It makes it thicker, 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 and adding layers. I love this. And as you're putting the layers on, the lash gets longer. What do you think? Is that pretty? And then, of course, the Bake Awake. I love that. It gives my face an entire freaking pop, and I love it. Look how pretty. So pretty. Guys, grab yours. I'll drop the link right here, or you can grab it from my showcase. So freaking pretty.